Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariobit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to check user ID on our Discord, or in other words tag our Discord. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others. Let's go. So first what you need to do is login on your Discord, and are two methods to find your tag. Okay, first of them is looking here on the down, and it is, as you can see, your tag. It is unique hashtag and four numbers, and it is your tag. Yes, you may then copy this, and it is this tag. Okay, sometimes here it doesn't work, and is second method to find this tag. You must click on this user settings, my account, and here you have, as you can see, also your tag. Okay, I will show you how to do it, so thanks for watching, leave like, subscribe, share to others, bye bye, and see you next time.